My name's Scott Haynes, and I'm here in Talking Rock, Georgia. I actually live down in Canton, Georgia, but we had this land, and after I retired, I decided to do something with it. So when you're on the property, you feel like you're 100 miles out in the wilderness, but I'm only about 5 miles from downtown Jasper. You know, I had an idea of wanting to build a cabin, and you know, did a lot of research and stuff, and really decided on going with the metal buildings. And once you get on the inside, you're going to see it doesn't really look like a metal building at all. Everything you see here is done on a sheet of notebook paper. The design that you're going to see on the inside, the layout, all of that was just an idea that I personally had in my head. One of the things I really liked was the fact that they had on their website, I could go in and actually design the exterior of the building the way that my specifications as to what I wanted to have in the building. So I really liked that aspect of it. And then bought some equipment, started clearing, and we went through step by step, put the building together, and it was a step-by-step process that went very smooth. One of the things that I really wanted was I really wanted a big front porch. I put a 10-foot wide, 70-foot long porch around the building and wrapped it around on the side that you'll see to where I can put an outdoor kitchen. And it really accommodates a lot of family get-togethers and community get-togethers. We've had several here. I put 12-foot walls on this building with a 6/12 pitch, which is going to give me the vaulted look when you get inside. And it actually makes it look a lot bigger than what it is. And I was able to actually put a loft upstairs, but we got a living area, got a real nice kitchen, and you're going to see that I did some Bordeaux granite, and I tied in the colors, and I did the pergola out of the cedar. All my handrails for my steps around the railing on the balcony for the upstairs area. It's all cedar. It actually tied in real good, and I went with a white pine 1x8 white pine tongue and groove, and we've done everything. I mean, all the rooms, everything, walls, everything is all white pine. And it actually turned out really good. This is a work in progress, so I wouldn't say I'm done, but I'm probably 80% done. But we still got a ways to go, but everything so far has just been a real joy in my retired life. And I will tip my hat to Eric and his team. Eric, he just went out of his way to make sure that I was accommodated, and they fulfilled everything that they had promised me. I could not have been more pleased with my experience with Great Western Buildings.